Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Musa Abdul Rakib, and you're watching my channel, Musa Abdul Rakib channel. In my videos, I recently tell about current situation, my lifestyle, my projects. Now, in my vlog, vlog number 5, I will discuss about my experience in college, in engineering college. How I spent my 4 years in my engineering college, and what were my pros and cons in engineering college. Let's get started. Well, I joined my engineering college in 2015, 26 October, in mechanical engineering in Swedish college. It is affiliated with UT Tesla. Uh, well, there was a lot of crowd. People were just happy that they got selected in Swedish college. There were, I think, about 300 students, but it was reduced to 100 students. Uh, well, due to many reasons, uh, the work is going on. The study gets started after a week. My first semester was good, as it is called the pre-semester program for basic engineering. Like, it has the subject of English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and the physics, computer science, all sort of subject. It has, I think, 8 subject in one semester. Then after 3 months, 4 months, our semester ends. Second semester we started, I think, in February, in March, February, I don't remember like that. I remember, but it started in second semester. We got 7 subjects, which is also basic subjects to rehearsal our engineering skills. uh, in third semester, our subject were changed. Our engineering subjects were included. Many were engineering drawings, electronic engineering, electrical engineering, and thermodynamics, power plant, etc. After that, our fourth semester, it got seriously lengthy subjects. It has only 5 subjects, I think, and it was the worst nightmare of our batch. That At that time, we didn't know what to do. Our engineering subject included, and we just don't know how we can proceed, but we take care of it. Most of the subjects were lengthy, most of the subjects were easy, but not that kind of easy as I speak. In fifth semester, I think, we got also all engineering subject, like material engineering, industrial engineering, and refrigerator, power plant engineering. Power plant engineering, it was the easiest one. It was the very skillful subject. It doesn't require anything that you always get down, but it required very good subject. I like that subject very much. And material science subject was very good. It has the basic structure of material, how the material made, what is the structure of atom, and how the plastic polythene bags are made, all that sort of thing. In 6 and 7, 8, the subjects were not very politely right, but subject were advanced, like manufacturing, uh, cat and cam, machine design. These were the subject, I think, most likely were very hard subject, but we got to do it. In seventh semester, our project were presentations were started. We have to write thesis, research on, and most of the subject required thesis and research subject, and we just gonna do it. And I think it was also a good experience. but in 8th semester we got only 4 subjects, maybe 4 subjects plus one uh, design project. So it was the not very good experience of my life, but uh, it was not lengthy, it was not easy, it was the medium kind of subjects, but we got to through, we got a degree, we got everything after that. But now it's been 6 months since no it's 6 months I graduate, and after my graduation in February, the coronavirus affected our lives. Our life was changed when we go out to the society to ask for job, to do the job, to ask them. They just say no, the jobs are closed due to coronavirus. When the things are getting easy, soft, lockdown may lift up, we may provide your jobs. So that time we were just having no kind of income. We were just having a financial crisis. Most of our engineers, I think, left the country, got higher education. They were just doing what they can do, so that most of our class fellows were just doing that and that and that, and we didn't know how we proceed in life. I think in my best my life experience was that my mother passed away in June, so July, due to some reasons, due to some disease. She got disease, so I got broke. I got that I have a degree, and I couldn't do anything uh, for her. So I decided that why not do something for her, like going to do hope. Hope is the only choice we got. We have to let ourselves have hope that we can achieve something in life. So our we got a dreams, we have a goal, so that's we have to put first. After my parent died, my mother died, so I have to look after my parents, my father, my brother. So I said why not just move on, because the life is, we don't have life too, we have to just going the same place as my mother went. So maybe it's good thing we didn't achieve anything. Maybe we achieved in something in life. So that's my story. uh, I share my story of engineering. We have, but now we have a long way. We have a long way to go and find the right place in life. I always tell my juniors that whenever they call, they said, "Sir, what can we do? We have no future in engineering." So I tell them there is a hope. You have to build a part of your hope. You have to creative, not being dislike to yourself. I been through that kind of expression in my life, but I have to move on. So I just tell them, you have to move on. Just don't forget to step back from your goals. So that's the life of an engineer. Struggle, struggle, struggle. You don't have any stop in any life. You just have to wait that you got something settled on. So that's the way of our life. My expression showed that may ever, I think, achieve goal with my mother's prayer. I think sooner or later, I think I may achieve my goals in life. Maybe, because we engineers graduate in this year, maybe last year, have no effect on employment. Our employment rate is, I think, higher than other careers. We just couldn't do whatever we want. Maybe someday Pakistan may get prosperous or give us some hope. Our struggle may be live on. Our struggle may never stop. our engineers are working so hard to get a good employment in Pakistan. Most of them about doing something they want to do, and rest of our kind, me also, have other goals in life, like research. We have to do research on something that may cure people. Our job, always our engineer job is, we invent things for a better life. We destroy things and we rebuild them for a better life. We didn't cause any of our customer to our client to neglect that what we have built them. We have built them something that they can comfort with. So that's the life. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you get bored from my video. If you like my channel, thumbs up. If you have any comments about me, about my background, about my video, please let me know. I will be available 24/7, and I do read your comments. Your comments important to me. As always, keep safe, stay at home, and pray that the coronavirus may ease and may give us some time to understand what we are missing in life. Thank you for watching my channel. Allah Hafiz. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your subscription is important to me. Thank you.